I am a new notary and had my official first notary signing today. So easy. It was the quickest 150 bucks I have ever made. I think it took me 25-30 minutes to go through the whole thing. If anybody's watching this video and on the fence about taking Mark Will's course, I can tell you hands down it's the best course ever. I had to make this video because being a realtor for 8 years, I have always been kind of on the fence about getting certified as a notary, but I started his course, Mark Will's course, and I finally finished, and it's like, I'm so pumped and I'm so excited that I finally made the leap and I finally did it. It was the best investment I could have ever made. Mark Will's is just, he's amazing. He really takes the time to make sure that you understand the material. He doesn't rush through it. The way that he explains things is so simple and so easy. So if anybody's watching this video and on the fence about taking Mark Will's course, I can tell you hands down, it's the best course ever. I took another one, I can't even remember the name, before Mark Will's, and I didn't learn squat. So I'm so glad that I invested in Mark Will's class, and now I'm officially a notary. I just got commissioned last week and I had my first signing today, so I'm hoping to get a lot more of those. And quick, easy money, guys. You know, if you're doing this full-time or if you're doing it on the side, it's just quick, easy money. You can't go wrong with getting your notary. So super pumped, super excited, and ready for some more. So get at it, guys.